Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the microphone not working on your OnePlus Pad 3. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. When you use something metallic, you can only make the damages worse, and then you might have to get your OnePlus to the repair shop, and it might cost you a lot of money. So remember to use nothing metallic, only like soft brushes and air compressors. And after that, what you guys can do is test the voice of your voice from the microphone, and the recorder app is installed by default here, and it also requires permissions, so let's give it. Now here require while using the app and allow the notifications. As you guys can see, microphone is working, so let's just stop the recording here and let's analyze this. As you guys can see, now we can save it and rehear our voice, so I think that's pretty cool. Now what else can you guys do is update the software to fix any mic glitches. So if you've got glitches with your mic, then go over to settings. Now here scroll down and go over to the system and update, and here click the software update. Now let me quickly disable this app, and here as you guys can see I have the version up to date. So if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it, because it can fix a lot of glitches, including the microphone not working. So that'd be it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.